ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਲੂਈ ਸਿੰਘ ਹੈ, ਨਿਊਜ਼ੀਲੈਂਡ ਤੋਂ। ਮੈਂ ਆਕਲੈਂਡ ਤੋਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਕ੍ਰਾਈਸਟਚਰਚ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਿਆ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਖੇਤ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। So guys, I'm back in Christchurch from Auckland. Now we're heading to my family farm. आओ जी चलो चलिए। Morning guys. So it is currently Sunday morning. Growing up we always used to have what we called a big breakfast on Sunday. So that's where the whole family would come down in the morning and sit down together and have a big fully cooked breakfast. We're having one right now, so come have a look. So Dad's doing the pancakes, eggless pancakes, which are really delicious. And currently we've got cha going as well.
मैं मेरे बेटे से प्यार करती हूँ कभी कभी।
She said कभी कभी।
Yeah.
कभी कभी।
Kavi kavi sometimes. Mum's preparing the delicious fruit.
मुझे फल पसंद है।
Back then teenagers, nowadays they're
Look at that guys, it's so good. Thank you Mum and Dad and Oscar.
लुई अंडा नहीं खाता।
Yes, I don't eat egg. This is Mum's plate.
राज दोपहर में नहीं खाता है।
Raj does not eat in the afternoon. Hello Pat, how are you? Good morning. You alright? Have a good sleep? Good dog. Hey, Pat, how are you? You right? Guys, this is such a rare occurrence. It never snows here on the farm. And today, it was, the weather forecast was for rain, but it's snowing, which is crazy. The last time I saw it snow here was in 2012. It hardly ever snows here on the farm. And now, it's just started snowing. So guys, we're in our local township at the moment. Satapenda. They bought a barf paddy. Barf pasand hai Oscar? You like the snow? It's not bad. Just a tiger over there. Big tiger.
Giving me whiplash without me expecting it isn't very nice.
Sorry.
It was funny though.
So guys, power cut ho gaya. Power's gone. Sharon curry pakora bana rahe hain. Main pyaj cut kitta si. Candle light de naal.
some more.
That was handy, eh Dad? We had to get the generator to turn the power on and just came back on. Woo! Look at this guys. Baby Louis. Baby Louis. Louis Singh. Taste test.
Very nice।
Yum, curry. ਸਵਾਦ ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ। ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਾਕ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਪੈਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ਰਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਸੇ ਹਾਈ ਸ਼ਰਨ। ਪੈਟ ਕੀ ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ? ਉੱਤੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਅਸੀਂ 2018 ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਸੀ। We were friends and then May 2019 ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੀ ਮੰਗਣੀ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ। So in 2019 we got engaged in Patiala in Punjab, and then after a couple of months we came back to New Zealand. Hello, how are you? Sit. Good girl. Say hi guys. Pet. Bolo. Hello. Good girl. Good dog. Hey guys, Oscar, Dad and one of the workers are weighing the sheep. Patrikios are there? And guys, for your information, ਅਸੀਂ ਭੇਡਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਾਰਦੇ. We just grow them and sell them.
Only just having its moment.
You're doing a fantastic job.
Thank you. What?
One with some wrap on it.
I'll be back soon.
Come here.
Well guys, we're heading back to Christchurch now, but it's been a great weekend catching up with the family. It's always good to see Mum, Dad and Oscar, and Emily's in Auckland at university at the moment, but I'm sure we'll catch up soon. Thank you very much for all the subscribers, guys. Your support means so much to me, and for watching all my videos. Until next time, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.